This is my home alarm system. Goal. My goal is to make a home alarm system that flashes different patterns depending on how close you are to it, and it has a buzzer that turns off when I push a button.
Okay, are you ready?
Build. It consists of 8 male plus female wires, 1 buzzer, 1 button, 1 ultrasonic sensor, 7 resistors, and 5 LEDs. Test. I have tested my code about 3 to 4 times, and an issue I have run into is that my resistors were connected to the positive side, not the negative side, so my LEDs would not turn on. I had to rewire the Raspberry because not all the wires had the correct wiring. What do you think? If I had more time, I would add another button to reactivate the buzzer again. Play.
Press the wrong module. So go to your code. Wrong. The last one. Yeah.
So as you can see, as I move my finger, if it gets too close, this sends out a really annoying sound. If I press this button, it stops to deactivate it.
Any questions? Could you explain your code? Yeah, just stay there.
So this is to set it up, and tells all the wires over here, like all the pins. LED 1 is 11, LED 2 is 7, so it's about LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, LED 4, and up until buzzer 1. And GPIO, and this is and that line is to set it up. And then this is a while true statement. So if it's true, button push GPIO input button. So, and this, if distance is greater than 40, then LED 1 turns on, the rest turn off. If LED 30 is on, the first 3 turn on, the other 3 turn off. You get the point. And if all the LEDs turn on, then the buzzer turns on. And if I press the button, the buzzer turns off.
Good. So give a random applause.